Thank you for sharing that. So, still in that line of having a conversation with the KOL, you said some. You came up with something that I've never heard before. The power of 20.
Oh yeah.
How how did you come about? And what's the meaning of that?
Yeah, so and 20 is probably a very it's intentionally long period of time. But the power of 20 is that idea of you should be listening more than you're speaking if you want to collect those good insights. But it's also based on how people speak and think. Oftentimes, we say something, but you're still processing a lot more, and you probably have a lot more to say about what you were just talking about, but you're collecting your thoughts. But if you're speaking with someone and they step in and ask you a question or take you in a different direction, that stuff came and went. But if you create the space for someone with a intentional long pause, they will start talking again and they'll keep going and they'll keep going until they're done. If you can have that poise to just hold the space for them to talk. So I came up with it to like I talk about how I build experiments and kind of gamify my life.
Hmm.
So I was like, okay, I need to sit here and give someone the opportunity to speak and to really listen. So they would be talking and they would stop and I would pause in my head and count to up to 20. Rarely do you get up to 20. Like you pause for a second, you don't jump in right away. They will start talking again and they'll start talking again. And you'll know that they're done because they will be like, I'm done, or what do you think? Or they'll ask you a question, or they'll just stop. You're like, oh, that's all I have to say about that. It's fascinating. I have done it a million times. I do it with like friends, family, done it with thought leaders all the time. It's incredible. You can't use it all the time, and you have to have the poise to hold. You just sit there authentically, calmly, and try your best not to be awkward and weird. And I know it can